What's up, rockers? Today is my favorite kind of day. It is sail day.
And we have two very, very special guests traveling with us. Yeah, check it out.
Woo! We got Raven and Gio, our daughter and daughter's boyfriend. This is a first-time cruiser right here, Gio. Woo! He's ready to rock on the Carnival Radiance.
Let's get to it, guys. Let's rock.
Woo!
Sit, Ubu, sit. Good dog. So we literally just walked onto the boat, and I guess to try and set the new, we're going straight to our muster station. So no welcome drink on this one. We got to go right to our station, but maybe that's cool. We'll get it out of the way and we'll get ready to rock. So that muster drill was a breeze.
Oh my gosh, he started a whole new thing. Right when you get on the ship, you go and muster right away.
Yeah. The only problem I had with it though is that when you walked into the atrium right when you got on the ship, the DJ was on the microphone going, "Go up the stairs, safety first, safety first.
Get your muster on.
Don't get a drink. Go get some food, and then get some drinks later." I'm like, what? No.
Is he officially the DJ Buzzkill because we did get a drink and he was like, go, go, go. DJ Buzzkill.
We made it to the rear of the Lido deck, and we're at the pool area. Just checking out the scenery. The weather is perfect. I thought it was going to be freezing, but it probably feels like about 70 degrees. I'm wearing a hoodie and long sleeves. But first impressions of the Radiance, very clean and modern. I love the vibe actually. Compared to the Conquest was more of like a Mardi Gras feel. This one's more modern, and we'll show you more throughout the video, but it's been a great start so far. The Radiance has Shaq's Big Chicken. First time I've had the Big Chicken spot on a Carnival cruise. I got the Aristotle. It's got Munster cheese, bacon, and fried onions. It's looking delicious. Oh, and barbecue sauce. Throw that damn thing on the floor.
official. We are sailing.
Sail away time. Now, the sail away party was epic. exhausting and good times, but we're leaving port. Check it out. If you're sailing from Long Beach in January, make sure to bring your ski parka. I heard the new Carnival ship in 2026 is going to have a ski slope on it. You can snowboard and ski. We saw the ship from the back. Now it's time to go to the front. So we tried to go to the front of the ship, but there's an interesting fact on this ship. The Radiance doesn't have an area where you can go to the front of the ship. It's completely blocked off. So the next best thing was to go to the casino. Because we got free drinks in the casino for all of us. So we decided to get a cocktail or two, and we're gonna play some blackjack. Any blackjack masters out there? This guy says he's a blackjack master. We're gonna find out. Gio. It's Gio the Blackjack Master. That's his screen name on Instagram if you want to follow him.
Yeah, look me up at Screenman Master.
It's actually it's a BJ Master, which I
Oh my God.
I guess.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Oh.
Dang it. Oh, look at that. Just stand.
So the Mr. Blackjack system didn't work out quite as well as we thought.
Darn.
Not yet. I'm sure it's gonna work. They sat us with the riffraff here at the sunset. Look at this. It's actually not riffraff, but look, there's no one around, right? Nothing. There's a beautiful view right behind us. If it was daytime, that's the ocean, but that whole room is completely full. But we like being the riffraff. We're having a good time.
I don't think I'm riffraff. I think I'm special.
You are special.
Yeah. My own section, like I'm a queen.
But we're gonna have a 3-course meal and probably some chocolate molten cake again.
Of course.
Let's eat.
All right.
What'd you get, man?
I got the grilled chicken breast.
That looks pretty delicious.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Raven?
I got the Cornish hen.
Oh, wow.
Exciting.
What'd you get?
I got the BBQ salmon. It was the choice of the evening.
Emerald, right?
Yes.
Emerald selection.
Yes.
And I got the Szechuan shrimp. Szechuan? It's dessert time. What you got?
Oh my goodness, I got the strawberry cheesecake. Look at this.
Zoom in on that.
Oh.
It's good fluff. All right, you got the fruit
Nice.
plate, some watermelon, and this is the. If you watch the channel, you know this is the ultimate.
Oh yeah, the spoon.
Oh, break it open. Let's see if it's all
Oh,